In this video, we will explain how to activate 2FA on your Validus account. Firstly, you will need to log into your Validus account by entering your username, password, and CAPTCHA, then click on Log In. Once logged in, you will be directed to a page where you can activate two-factor authentication, 2FA, by clicking on the Profile Page tab. On this page, you will find your personal information. To access 2FA, click on the second tab, Password and 2FA. Next, you will find a configuration key and a QR code. In the second step, you will need to download the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. After downloading the app, return to your Validus account. Please note that there are two methods for activating 2FA. The first method involves using the QR code, and the second method involves using the configuration key. Let's start with the first method, activating 2FA using the QR code. On your Validus account, you will see a configuration key that you need to copy and save on a paper-based support. You should keep this configuration key away from any internet source and preferably print it out and keep it in a secure place. Next, return to the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone and click on Begin if you are using it for the first time, or click on the plus sign at the bottom right of your screen. Then, select the Scan a QR code option and scan the QR code provided by your Validus account using the Google Authenticator app. After scanning it, a new account will appear on your Google Authenticator app, and the app will generate a code every 30 seconds, as indicated by a countdown timer to the right of the code. You will need to copy a code that is still valid by checking the countdown timer, and then paste it into the space below the QR code, and click on Activate 2FA. Now you have activated 2FA on your Validus account, which is now protected by your Google Authenticator app. This was the first method that uses a QR code. Let's move on to the second method, activating 2FA using the configuration key. Again, start from the Password and 2FA page on your Validus account. Here, you will find a configuration key that you need to save on a paper-based support, away from any internet source. Next, copy this configuration key and return to the Google Authenticator app. Open it and click on Begin if it is the first time you are using the app, or click on the plus sign at the bottom right of your screen. Then, select the Enter Configuration Key option. In the first field, choose the name of your account, as it is free text. In the second field, paste the configuration key that you copied from your Validus account. And finally, click on Add. At this point, a new account will appear on your Google Authenticator app, and the app will generate a code every 30 seconds, as indicated by a countdown timer to the right of the code. You will need to copy a code that is still valid by checking the countdown timer, and then paste it into the space below the QR code on your Validus account, and click on Activate 2FA. Your Validus account is now protected by 2FA, which you have just activated, and your account is fully secured by your Google Authenticator app. We hope this video will be useful for you to learn how to protect your Validus account. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next tutorial.